The amount of money being splashed in empowerment events and fundraisers by government officials is once again a subject of concern as the country approaches the campaign period. The events, which have been turned into political rallies, have become platforms for elected and political leaders to display their financial muscle in a bid to hoodwink the electorate. With elections around the corner, this site may just be the government's campaign strategy to secure re-election.
Shilingi 200,000.
With 17 months left to go before the 2027 general election,
Kanyando 1,100.
the country is witnessing a resurfacing of money being splashed in political events camouflaged as empowerment programs and fundraisers.
Nafikiri Bishop, sasa maneno yetu imeishia hapo.
The broad-based coalition is dishing out huge sums of money in what seems to be a strategy to woo the electorate.
Sasa wale wengine nitawapanga.
Sunday's fundraising at the ACK Diocese of Bondo in Siaya County, where President William Ruto led a fundraising for the church, the head of state gave out a whopping 20 million shillings, followed by other elected leaders who accompanied him to the event.
Bishop, wacha mimi nianzishe. Mimi nitatoa milioni 20 ya kusaidia. So I'll give you some 20 million.
Both leaders from the executive and members of parliament allied to the president are participating, all trying to show off their financial muscle and aid President Ruto's re-election bid.
Siri Opiyo Wandayi, lazima utoe kitu. Shilingi ngapi? 2 million. Pigeni makofi. Waziri Kabogo tayari alisema atatafuta 1,000,000 atatumana.
On Friday 27th last week, part 1, Deputy President Kithure Kindiki was the guest of honor at a resource mobilization event for smaller trade groups at Suba South, and the script was the same.
Nisitoe. Ni fire si fire. Ni noma si noma. Nimekubali, lakini pesa yangu ni kidogo kwa sababu mimi ni Deputy President. Niseme nisiseme. Mimi nimesindikisha rais na shilingi. Munataka ngapi? Munataka ngapi? Munataka ngapi? 1,500. Milioni 1. Milioni 1.5. Milioni 2. Milioni 2.5. Nimemsindikisha rais na milioni 3. Wacha nione salamu, salamu, salamu.
The source of the money being given out has raised serious concerns, especially after it emerged that State House has overspent the 2025-2026 budget, but the leaders have defended themselves.
Na watu wachoyo, matajiri, viongozi wa sasa na wa zamani wanasumbuliwa sana wakiona wananchi wakisaidiwa. Mimi nataka kuchukua public participation. Mungetaka tuendelee kusaidia akina mama na vijana na wazee mashinani wapate pesa ya biashara. Tuendelee tusiendelee?
Since campaigns have seemingly started officially, the two-term brigade has opened their checkbook, raising concerns about campaign financing.
Ngapi wanasema ongeze.
Jacob Ochiro, Hope TV, Nairobi.